whatever you see. If you like, laugh. If you like, don't laugh. Yo guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jumoke Omoke Scribble. I share with you a lot of videos ranging from DIY to makeup tutorials, fashion tips and tricks, lifestyle vlogs, and a whole lot of things you probably don't care about, but I'll say them anyways because I'm Jumoke. So welcome back again guys. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications so you get my video as soon as I drop them for your eyes. So before I jump into what today's video is all about, I really want to take a moment to apologize. Please forgive me for the little break I went on here. I've been quite off for some time now and I really appreciate y'all for bearing with me. I was busy getting a degree. I mean, it's not like I'm done getting the degree, but I just kind of like carved out some time and decided that I was going to do this year. So here we are now. I really apologize. So today's video is a very quick and short one actually. I want to show you my room as a typical Nigerian student that stays off campus. Sometimes it's hard to put one or two together to like make your room look cute, especially when you're a girl and you have to live on the budget and all of that. I did a little revamp in my room and a little bit of touches here and there. The thing is, I don't really have a picture or video of what my room used to look like, but I do have a little bit of Snapchat videos where we're painting the room because I changed the color and all of that. So watch. You around and show you what it looks like. I'm so excited. That's for my room. Bear in mind, I'm a typical Nigerian student that lives on a budget. So whatever you see, I just want you to pick one or two things. Probably there are some things you see in my room that you like. Probably set up for something that will help you, or just feed your eyes basically. Whatever. So just talk with me.
Okay, this is my bed. It's not really as big as it is looking in this video. It's a little bit smaller than this, but then it's so beautiful. And there is my artwork. I really love her so much because she's hardworking. And this is my painting that we did a little bit of creativity when we were painting the room, and it turned out nice. I really love it because it's just very cute. And this is my study / filming area. When I'm not filming, my table and chair is there, but when I'm filming, my table and chair is not there. Like you can see, that's my ring light and my fan and my wallpaper, because that's the place I film, so I just placed it there. And that is me being goofy. My mirror, that's my dressing area. I kind of like did a little bit of artwork again on my mirror, and that's my trolley, a little thing with my little I don't know in it. That's my makeup bag, and that is my a whole lot of things I know that I don't know I have, and that's just everything, my cream and what have you. And that is me being me in mirror again. So I have this little thing where I hang my, it's so cool, my shades and my necklaces. It's I just like it there. And there I hang my, as you can see, whatever comes in handy. And that is my little Mr. Banana, and that's Bear. That is where I hang my hair. And the other side, because I mean, why not? So please pardon the holy bag. Those are my bags of clothes I don't wear frequently, and this is my wardrobe. where I keep clothes that I wear frequently. So those are my shoes that I sell. You can check me out on IG Abata Police. You saw them. And this is my mini library. And here is my shoe rack. I'm not really a fan of sneakers. I prefer heels more, so that's why you see a lot of heels there. I'm a model, of course. And that is my bag space. That brings us to the end of this room. Welcome to my ugly bathroom. That's the curtain because I know the door because I don't like it, and that is my broken mirror on the wall. Being goofy again. That's my shower cap and my little hanger for my panties, and there's my sponge and rope for hanging my towel. These are my my brushes and what have you. That is a little bag of toiletries I stole from my aunt. And that is what it is. Welcome to my kitchen. That's my gas and pot of rice that I'm boiling, and my old stove that I don't use anymore, and my drum, and my stool, and my bag of water, because water's around there be so funny, my kettle, and my sink that is so high for short people, my plate basket, my napkins, and water, and my riches. If you're Nigerian, you understand very well. And that is just a whole lot of things that and this is my shelf where I arrange my ingredients and foodstuffs because it makes everything easier and neater. So that is basically everything about my kitchen. The kitchen is actually small, but then we move.
That is everything about my room. Of course, there's a corridor in front, but it's late in the night and I can't risk it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for touring my room with me. I hope you've seen one or two things you could probably try out. Thank you for watching me show you my local, not so local room. Do let me know what you think about my room in the comment section. Lastly, if you've not subscribed already, if you don't subscribe by this time, I don't know what your problem is on it. Don't you want me to make money? Please subscribe and thumbs up this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I said bye, let's go away.